Hey guys, welcome back to another Quick Flights video, and thanks for joining me again. Today we're going to be going over my Eastside Round 6 races, which was a ton of fun at Eastside FPV Melbourne. If you guys want to check out Eastside, I'll leave some links in the description. I also want to say thanks for all the support on the videos. We are almost to 500 subs, can you believe it? So every sub counts, and I appreciate you all. Just before we get into the video, what you can see on the screen right now is my two quads. They're both God mode frame quads. Drone build videos coming out soon. I've got it in the works. And I've also got another special video in the works, so stay tuned. Without further ado, let's get into the racing. So, joining me for one of the first races we did that day. This was one of the first rounds just after practice, so just taking it easy. It's all about consistency. I only DNF'd one race the entire day, and that was after being smacked out of the air with another drone. I'll show you that later. But it's about consistency. You only have one or two drones, so you can't really afford to lose any, and there's not enough time between races to really get the whole drone rebuilt. So it's just about being consistent. As you can see right in front of me, we got another drone racer. Just overtook him there. He had a little error, but we're on the same gate, super close. He just popped out in front. So just managing, just trying to stay with the pace as the other drone, because this was the only other racer that I needed to worry about at the time. Okay, starting the third lap just in front of him. But it seems like he missed a gate and was out of the running. Put up the times on the screen right now. So a little bit slow, but it's good effort. And let's get into the next race closer to the end of the day. So this is one of the last races. It might even be the last one, I don't know. But it shows you, because of the course and how competitive everyone is, mid-air collisions are bound to happen. So as we come around this first gate, a little bit of a knock there. Sends me wide and I have to do a little 360 to come back. But we're back in the running. So it's a bit inevitable that you'll be hit by someone else, and it happens both ways. You know, you can take someone else out, they can take you out, but interesting that after the hit, my signal gets worse, much worse, and you'll be seeing on the back straight this lap, my signal completely flatline. I get a complete black screen. So, yeah, not good. See, we get a little patch there, and coming around here, pops in and out, so a bit scary while you're flying, so I was trying to take it a little bit easier. I didn't want to crashed the drone in the last race. But we're actually fighting one racer right here just in front of us. Ooh, and we missed that gate, so definitely getting faster. There's so much room for improvement, but sort of first flying since 2 rounds ago, so about a month or two before I had taken out the drone. So just trying to take it easy and get it home. But no, good performance. I had heaps of fun that day, and I hope to bring some more racing content in the future. If you guys liked the video, make sure to lightly tap that like button. And if you want to see more content in the future and support the channel, we're close to 500. Make sure to subscribe. I really appreciate it, guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye.